The skin is our largest sensory organ. Its receptors sense heat, cold, and mechanical stimuli. It protects the body against mechanical damage, UV radiation, and pathogens. Its keratin layer prevents it from drying out. There are about 350 skeletal muscles in the human body, making up 50% of body mass. There are long, short, flat, and ring-shaped muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones by tendons. The skeleton of an adult human consists of 206 bones. Bones are rigid and flexible at the same time in order to carry a large amount of weight. Bone metabolism is slow. A broken bone takes at least 6 weeks to heal. The digestive system is responsible for the digestion. Food is crushed in the mouth by the teeth. Proteins are digested in the highly acidic stomach. Then, in the small intestine, all 3 types of nutrients, that is, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids, are absorbed. Absorption of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide both take place in the lungs. In a relaxed state, we inhale about 16 times a minute and exchange about half a liter of air each time. The cardiovascular system, that provides oxygen-rich blood to all the organs in the body and transports carbon dioxide away. Blood is pumped through the blood vessels by the contractions of the heart. Unnecessary and harmful materials are removed from the body by the kidneys. They produce about 1.5 liters of urine per day. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder and is then released from the body through the urethra. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, transmit information between the central nervous system and the organs as electric signals. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, which emerge directly from the brain, and 31 pairs of spinal nerves, which emerge from segments of the spinal cord. Hormones are produced by the glands of the endocrine system. Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal gland, insulin by the pancreas, and thyroxine by the thyroid gland. The hypothalamus produces hormones that regulate the pituitary gland, where they stimulate production of further hormones. These hormones stimulate other endocrine glands, the thyroid gland, the adrenal gland, and the reproductive glands. Lymph is the fluid found in the interstitial spaces. It is produced from blood, by osmosis through the walls of capillaries. Lymph is carried into the subclavian vein by lymph vessels, while passing through the lymph nodes. Pathogens carried by the lymph meet white blood cells living in the lymph nodes, which is important for the operation of the immune system.